Hello friends! Welcome back to My Zippy Minds. Today we'll explore the amazing world of snakes. We'll meet 25 different snakes, learn one quick fact about each, and have fun together. Are you ready? Let's slither into the adventure. 1. King Cobra. The longest venomous snake in the world. It can lift the front part of its body and spread a hood. 2. Green Anaconda. One of the heaviest snakes on Earth. It loves water and swims well in rivers and swamps. 3. Reticulated python. Some of the longest snakes ever found are reticulated pythons. They can grow very, very long. 4. Rattlesnake. It uses a rattle on its tail to warn animals and people to stay away. 5. Black Mamba. One of the fastest and most agile snakes. It can move very quickly if it feels threatened. 6. Ball python. A calm snake that curls into a tight ball when scared. That's how it got its name. 7. Belcher's sea snake. A highly venomous sea snake that lives in warm ocean waters, but it rarely bites people. 8. Boa constrictor. A big, strong snake that squeezes its prey to hold it, then swallows it whole. 9. Inland taipan. This snake has extremely powerful venom. It is one of the most toxic snake species. 10. Sand boa. It lives mostly underground in sand and waits quietly for small animals to pass by. 11. Rainbow boa. When light hits its scales, they sparkle like tiny rainbows. 12. Green vine snake. Very thin and long, it looks like a vine and hides among branches. 13. Milk snake. A harmless snake that has bright bands and sometimes looks like the dangerous coral snake. 14. Coral snake. Small but very venomous, famous for its bright red, yellow, and black bands. 15. Grass snake. A non-venomous snake that often lives near water and may pretend to be dead to escape danger. 16. Copperhead snake. Has camouflage-colored bands that help it hide in leaves on the forest floor. 17. Green Anaconda. A huge water snake that can grab animals near the riverbank and drag them into the water. 18. Rainbow python. Its scales shine with colorful, iridescent tones in bright sunlight. 19. Desert viper. A snake adapted to sandy deserts, often hiding under sand to ambush prey. 20. Spitting cobra. Can spit venom toward an attacker's eyes from several feet away as a defensive move. 21. Python. Powerful and non-venomous. Many pythons use constriction to capture food. A tree-dwelling African snake with excellent eyesight and a potent venom. A historically famous cobra from North Africa, known from ancient stories. King Brown, a large Australian snake with strong venom and a powerful build. Wow, what an amazing collection of snakes! We learned about 25 special snakes today. Some live in water, some in deserts, and some in trees. Which snake surprised you the most? Tell us in the comments! If you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and join my Zippy Minds for more wild adventures. See you next time. Bye-bye!